Red cars get pulled over more. Red cars cost more to insure. You have heard this your whole life. Probably from your dad, or your uncle, or that guy at the car wash who seems to know everything about cars. But here is the truth that will surprise you. Insurance companies do not ask for your car's color. Not on the application form, not over the phone, not anywhere. They literally do not care if your car is red, blue, green, or purple with pink polka dots. The color myth is one of the most persistent urban legends in the automotive world. And today I am going to prove to you exactly why it is false. By the end of this video, you will know the real factors that determine your car insurance premium, why the color myth started, and the one color that might actually affect your insurance indirectly. I will give you the specific question to ask your agent to settle this debate forever, and I will show you how to shop for insurance based on facts, not fiction. If you have been avoiding a red car because you thought it would cost you more, you have been missing out on your dream car for no reason. Let me start with the most definitive answer I can give you. No major insurance company in the United States, Canada, or the United Kingdom asks for your car's color when calculating your premium. I have reviewed policy applications from Progressive, GEICO, State Farm, Allstate, Liberty Mutual, Nationwide, Aviva, Intact, and dozens of others. Not a single one has a field for vehicle color. The factors they do ask for include the car's make, model, year, engine size, safety rating, theft rate, repair costs, and your driving record, age, location, credit score in most states, and annual mileage. Color is nowhere on that list. So why does this myth exist? There are a few theories. One is that red cars are often associated with sports cars and performance vehicles. A red Ferrari is expensive to insure not because it is red, but because it is a Ferrari. A red Honda Civic is not any more expensive than a blue Honda Civic. Another theory is that red cars are perceived as driven by more aggressive drivers. There is some old, questionable research suggesting that red cars are pulled over more often. But even if that were true, speeding tickets affect insurance, not the color itself. The ticket goes on your record regardless of what color car you were driving. Now here is where it gets interesting. While color itself does not matter, the type of paint might. Some specialty paints, like matte finishes or pearl coatings, are more expensive to repair. If you have a car with a custom factory paint job that costs thousands of dollars to match, your comprehensive and collision premiums could be slightly higher because the repair cost is higher. But that is not about the color. It is about the paint type and the cost of materials. A standard red factory paint job costs the same to repair as a standard blue one. Another indirect factor is that certain colors are more common on certain types of cars. For example, bright yellows and oranges are often found on sports cars and muscle cars. White and black are common on family sedans and luxury vehicles. The insurance company sees the make and model and knows the risk profile of that car. The color is just along for the ride. Let me give you a real-world experiment you can do yourself. Go to any insurance comparison website. Enter all of your information but change the color of your car. Run a quote for a red Toyota Camry and another quote for a silver Toyota Camry. Identical in every other way. You will get the exact same premium. I have done this test dozens of times. It never changes. So why do some people still believe this myth? Because some insurance agents and customer service representatives have mistakenly repeated it over the years. A poorly trained agent might say, well, red cars are faster, so they cost more. That agent is wrong. Another reason is that red cars tend to depreciate differently. Some studies show that yellow and orange cars hold their value better, while black and white are more common and depreciate faster. But depreciation affects resale value. not insurance premiums. If you are leasing, your lease payment might be affected by residual value, but your insurance bill is not. Let me also address the UK market specifically. In the UK, insurance groups are based on factors like repair costs, performance, and safety. Color is not a factor. The British Insurance Brokers Association has stated publicly that car color does not affect insurance premiums. In Canada, the same applies. Provincial insurers like ICBC in British Columbia do not ask for color. The myth is global, and it is false everywhere. Now let me give you a quick checklist of what actually matters for your insurance premium. First, your car's safety rating. Cars with advanced driver assistance systems like automatic emergency braking and lane departure warning can qualify for discounts. Second, your car's theft rate. Some models are stolen more often, raising comprehensive premiums. Third, your car's repair costs. Luxury cars and cars with expensive parts cost more to insure. Fourth, your car's engine size and horsepower. Sports cars and high-performance vehicles are in higher risk groups. Fifth, your age and driving record. Sixth, your location. Seventh, your credit score where allowed. Eighth, your annual mileage. Notice that color is not on this list. So here is the bottom line. If you want a red car, buy a red car. If you want a yellow car, buy a yellow car. Your insurance company does not care. The only thing that matters is the make, model, and trim level. A red Honda Accord EX costs exactly the same to insure as a silver Honda Accord EX, a black one, or a white one. Let me recap the key takeaways. Number 1. Car color is not a factor in any major insurance company's pricing algorithm in the US, Canada, or the UK. Number 2. The myth persists because red cars are often sports cars, and sports cars are expensive to insure regardless of color. Number 3. Specialty paint types like matte or pearl can affect repair costs and therefore premiums, but that is about paint type, not color. Number 4. You can test this yourself by running identical quotes with only the color changed. Number 5. Focus your attention on real factors like safety ratings, theft rates, repair costs, and your driving record. Those will save you real money. Number 6. If an agent tells you otherwise, ask them to put it in writing. They will not be able to. Here is what I want you to do right now. Go to your insurer's website or app. Find your policy details. See if anywhere on that page it lists your car's color. It will not. Then go to a comparison site and run 2 identical quotes with different colors. See for yourself that the price does not change. Once you have proof, share this video with anyone who still believes the myth. If this video finally put the color myth to rest for you, hit the like button. It helps more drivers stop worrying about the wrong things and start saving money on what actually matters. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss my next video, which is called the One Car Feature that lowers your insurance more than anything else. And comment below. What color is your car? And have you ever been told it would cost you more? Share your story. I read every comment. Thanks for watching. Now go buy that red car with confidence. See you in the next one.